we need some help here. We need medic. All right, guys. Karina was complaining about my throat hurts, you know, and all this stuff, and I was like, okay.
No, I just feel something right here.
You just feel something right there. Oh my God. Alright, so we're here to watch clothes right now, and we found this place called Brew. So we'll see how that goes. What we have here is the natural bridge here in Aruba. Basically a bridge that was created from the form of the ocean. There are still caution signs about possible collapse, but it's a pretty nice scenic view to visualize and see the whole ocean. I mean, the water's like really nice blue. We're about to go eat at this place called Pastiche House. So we're gonna see how it goes, and we'll see how it tastes.
Oh, these are really good. These are really good. It's just pretty much, it looks like an empanada, but it tastes different from what we're used to.
And I got myself the smoothie, the pineapple smoothie. Best smoothie to cool off. And I got curry in a hurry. Do you think? It's kind of like sweet mustard. Go try it out. So this one here is keshi, which is cheese. So you open it and try it out. It's so good. Really good. Okay. So by far, this has been the best croquetas here in Aruba. I highly recommend it to anybody who ever wants to come to Aruba to try that place first. I give it a thumbs up. So here we are at Divi Beach. I'm trying to find a way how to get to the beach. There's nothing but hotels around here, so we'll see how it looks. Now I don't know if you can see this or not, but there's so much little gnat flies all over this place. I probably ate maybe about good hundreds of them in my mouth as we speak right now. The beach is so lonely. So as you can see, we're here at Divi Beach and not much is going on here. There's pretty much, it's pretty lonely here actually, I guess because of the weather. But I mean, the past few days when it was sunny, it was just nice and everything. We'll make the fun out of it and all that. All right. Show your exciting face.
You can't see it.
This is my exciting face. So here we are right now having dinner at this pretty fancy place. Alright, thank you. So what do you think about the dinner?
Great. We've been moved like 3 times. But at least we had our food in our stomach already.
Yes.
Look at the weather. But then if you look over there, oh, this is my water from earlier. I'm still drinking in there.
Cheers, babe. Too many more years. Tired. The Flying Fishbone was epic. It was delicious. It was good. It was a great experience. Having, you know, your feet in the water, get to enjoy this. I mean, you can't find anywhere around here that does that, or anywhere near where we live. If you're ever in Aruba, I would say definitely come to the Flying Fishbone. It's worth it. We need some help here. We need medic. All right, guys. Karina was complaining about my throat hurts, you know, and all this stuff. And I was like, okay.
No, I just feel something right here.
You just feel something right there. Oh my gosh. So right now I'm about to go downstairs to go to the convenience store and buy some Benadryl or something allergic reaction for my wife. Her eye got puffy. So we're gonna go down the stairs real quick. So we got some chicken empanadas. It's really good.
Argentinian.
Argentinian. Correction. Argentinian chicken empanadas. They're good. Got me a cowboy burger with some egg in the center. And Karina got white rice with beef skirt Argentinian style and a salad.
Did you dip it in water?
Yeah.
Oh, this feels weird.
Ready? So that was a fun adventure right there, renting a jet ski here in Aruba. It's worth it. This is pad thai and ceviche. It's a little bit of simply room, perfectly squeezed juice, and just water.
So, tell me.
As you can see, I ate it all. There's still some Nutella left. It's not gonna go to waste, I'm gonna eat it. And I mean, overall, it's great. The price is great. It was really good. Now I just got sleepy and we got a long flight home. I don't know if this is good or bad. We'll see how my stomach settles. We're here in Dallas, Texas already, about to head home. After 4 long flights, maybe 12 hours total, we're glad to be back home. So here we are. Let me wear my glasses. So here we are. Yeah. Watch out, baby. All right, guys. We rented a vehicle, and unfortunately, they were out of vehicles. So they gave us an option. Either one, we would have to wait about 2 hours here at the airport until they find the next available one, or number 2, we can select the vehicle that they provided us, and this is it. Okay, I see us. We rolling deep, you know, in Miami in the van. You know what I'm saying?